in the case, after on the sidewall here, you can repair it. You're only inside here, that's you can repair it. Hello everyone, today we'll show you guys how to fix the snail, repair the tire for the car. So I got a nail today and I'm roving on the construction road, and find out I got a big nail like that. What you need to repair this, you need a plier to pull out the nail, and then you guys will need another tool they call tire repair tools. So you guys can bought this from Amazon, so it costs you about maybe $15 to $25. This is the best one. It's by steel and reliable. First we have to remove the nail here. Okay, the nail is out. Look at that. Long nail, I think this from the house construction. Then you have to see the hole there. So next one you will need this and this for the tire repair. At this tool you will need this to make the whole rider more better. I will show you guys. Easy. You don't need to spend $45 in tire shop. So we have to here, pull it down. You need to make a little bit bigger. I hate it now. Now let's see. Let's do it a bit smaller. Let's see, you can make so you make sure it's smooth. So next step, you guys will need this with this. So this one to make the hole not leaking the tire. So we only need one. One is enough. You don't need two. Okay, the screw stick in here. It's a bit hard to pull out. Here you go. Stop recording. So next step, you will make it go through the hole like this. Make sure it between in the middle, like this. So this is from my experience. You can using this the best way to prevent the leak. So I make sure I fill out a little bit. Here you go. And then you can apply on the tire like that. That's a hard one. You have to make sure it's go down the hole. Like this. And then the final step, you have to pull it as quick as you can. Here you go. That's it. In case you make a little bit up by the glue stick, you can use the knife and cut it. Simple way. And then final step, for make sure it's not leaking in the future, spray a little bit flat seal on it. So this one I'm not advertising for them, but I use it maybe 5-10 years ago, and I realized very quick for this. And next step, just install the tire flat in flat to put air on it. The gauge around 30 psi. You can stop in there. After I fill the air, I found I got another hole in here. It's 2 holes assembly. I have 2 holes in one day. Damn. All right. So after we put the bucket in, the last step, we try to make sure there's no bubble. So you can use the water with soap. See, you don't have see any bubble here. If you see bubble on, that means that's a leak. So the tire now is good now. 2 holes at the same day. Can't believe it. So you save for $100 at least. But in my advice, if your tire has 3 hoses by now, the better you can do, buy a new one. So 3 to 4 holes, you can repair it. And in the case, after on the sidewall here, you can repair it. You're only inside here, that's you can repair it. Thank you for watching. This just experience sharing.